Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use chat lock with a secret code on WhatsApp. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp. After that, go to the chat that you want to lock with a passcode. Long press on it, and after that click on lock chat. Click continue. And as you can see, the chat is locked. If you want to unlock it, you have just to swipe down, click on locked chats, and your phone will use directly the Face ID if you are using an iPhone. And if you are not using an iPhone, it will ask for a passcode. And also, even for the iPhone, if the phone can't know you with Face ID, it will ask for like passcode or secret code. So here, as you can see, you can activate if you want to make like a special secret code instead of the passcode used on your device. You can create it here. You can write the passcode that you want to use. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.